Hey guys, this is Shobit, and in this video let's do a quick unboxing of this Ambrane brand WH-65 wireless headphone. So basically it's a Bluetooth headphones, and this headphone I bought from a local shop present in my city. So if you are viewer from my city, then you can definitely check the address given in the description box. So this headphone is basically a Bluetooth headphones, but it do have a support of memory card, so you can play song while inserting memory card in it. And also it also supports FM radio, so you can also listen to FM by wearing this headphone. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Now let's do the quick unboxing of this Ambrane brand WH-65 wireless headphones. Now you can see the box is of blue color, and also the headphone photo is over the top, so you can identify which type of headphone you will get. And also the branding is given Ambrane. Here it is written that these are wireless headphones, and this is written that WH-65, which is the model number. Now here is some of the features are mentioned here, like Bluetooth connectivity, which we all know, and the control buttons also are given over the side panels, and also the rechargeable battery, means it has a lithium ion battery basically, and also a built-in microphone, so you can also attend the calls with this headphone. Now you can see the other features are given. The main feature, which is the TF card support, the lightweight build, the rechargeable battery, the noise isolation, which means that it does not have active noise cancellation. So, and here the branding is given, and here is the model number, and the other wireless headphone, the same is written. Now on the back of the box you can see the information is given, and the features are given, means the first feature is built-in mic for phone calls, lightweight comfortable ear shells, compatible with mobile, and all you can read by technical specification is written that Bluetooth it supports 5.0, and EDR mode it supports. So if your phone is flagship phone, then you can use the EDR mode. Now working distance is 10 meter. Now play time up to 5 hours, and battery capacity is 200 milliampere. Charging times 2 hours, which I don't like about this headphone, because the 2 hours is a very long time, and also the you can see the play time is up to 5 hours, which is not a very good. Impedance is all is given, and now you can see the product type wireless headphone, and the MRP you can see the 1999 is given, but I will tell you further in this video that what is the actual price you will get if you just buy from the shop. Now here it is written made in PRC. Now let us just open this box and let's see what is inside this box. Now first you get this type of membrane, I would say, and the branding itself is given over the top. Now I will just remove this membrane, and you can see the headphone is there. Now you can just this headphone is not in any pouch and anything, you just get this headphone, and then you get this carrying pouch, and here you get a user manual, so you can read it, and you can identify how all the instructions and how to connect and all that. So here you get a charging cable. You get these things in this box. You will not get anything other than this. So now I will show you the quality of this headphone. Let me just keep them aside. Now you can see the these drivers, the ear pads, the Ambrane branding is itself is given over the left and right ear shells, and also the Ambrane branding is given. So here I would say the plastic is very good. It's a rubber mixed plastic, and also some paddings are given, and here the padding is very good. So I think that the padding should be improved from this. Now there is no left and right given. Now here you get 4 physical buttons, and here you get a slot for TF card, and also you get a slot for charging, and here you get a 3.5 mm cable insertion female port. Now you get the two small holes, so which I think they have the microphones, which is the integrated microphones. Now you get the you can see the texture of this headphone body is good, and the material used in making this headphone is slightly premium, slightly of premium quality, and you can see the metal is used in this banks, and also you can see the flexibility of this headphone is very good. Now you can see the force, so the force which it will give to your ear is also very standard. So this all you get in this headphone. Now it do have a stereo sound, so it do supports the stereo sound. Now this was the unboxing, and I will just show you how to just turn on this headphone. Now you have to press this upper button for 3 seconds, and this light will blink, and you will get some sound like this, and you will just know that, and you can see this blue and this green light will glow continuously, and you can easily connect it to your phone by reading the user manual. So this was it was the unboxing of this headphone. So guys, this was the unboxing of this Ambrane brand WH-56 wireless Bluetooth headphones, and you can see the look of this headphone is very premium. So you can see the look is very premium. So this headphone I bought from a local shop. So coming to the price of this headphone, the actual price, the company price of this headphone is 2000, but if you just buy from the address given in the description box, the shop price is actually 1450. Also I have dropped the link of Amazon, but for a strange reason this headphone is not available for a short period of time on Amazon. So in 4-5 days I think that it will be available over the Amazon, so you can also check the Amazon. This headphone you can buy for if you are just traveling for a trip, or you are just going outside, or you are just doing any physical work for any other this type of thing. So this was it. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and also subscribe to our channel ShoBro Tech. This is Shobit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.